These adjustments will make your mouth water.
Good. Here.
Oh my God.
That's good. Oh! Ooh! Yep. There it is. Let it go. Good. Don't hold your breath. Good. There he goes.
Okay. Wow, okay.
That was good. Don't hold your breath. Don't hold your breath. Let it become looser. Good.
Wow, it's really loose.
Good. Oh, lay on your back. Loose. Good. Gentle, gentle.
Oh.
Hang around for the rest of this video because we have got some of the most insane and powerful chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors. We post every single day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. Next up, we have Dr. Alex Tubio.
Tilt your head down. You're doing good. You can kind of feel that tension that's right there. I want you to bend your head all the way over. Good.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo! I thought I died for a second.
Yeah, that's good. Good. Here.
Oh my God. Wow. Whoa. Woo. I felt that all through my head.
Yeah.
Woo. Wow, my neck feels like so relief.
Mm-hmm. And I'm going to put my hand underneath, let it fall over, let it drop.
Ooh, ow, that was a little...
Yeah, it's a little bit of a sting, but it'll be good in a minute.
Yeah. It literally was like... Wow. Ooh, that's crazy.
See your arms just like this, and you're going to hold like that, all right? You're going to roll with me. I want you to keep your eyes closed. And you're going to roll back and let it go. Good, don't hold your breath. Good. There he goes.
Okay. Wow, okay.
That wasn't that bad, huh?
That wasn't that bad. That was way more. I thought it was going to be worse.
You're going to push in here, so I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good, you can like relax more. There it is.
Oh, that felt good. Oh, wow, okay.
All right, so I just need your head to bend over and back. Here. Good.
Wow.
Let it out. That's good. Oh! Ooh! And I want you to fold your head over. Relax that shoulder. Good, we're gonna tilt up. That's good, let it drop. Oh, yeah. Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that feels good. Yeah. Yes, sir. That was a loud one. Yeah, that was good. That felt great. Almost. Yep. There it is. Wow. And exhale all the way out. Good, let it go. More. Great. Just trying to get in position. There it is.
I like feel it through my whole body.
That's good. Don't hold your breath. Let it become looser. Good.
Wow, it's really loose. I can feel myself.
Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
And out. Good. Sinking in. Let the shoulders sink. Back sinking. That was good. We have to come a hair up and do that one here. Do this one here. Deep breath in. Good. Alright, so let's adjust this one here now. Deep breath in. Good, and out. Good. Sinking in. Oh, there it goes. Hold on, there's more. Perfect. Yep. Again, there's one more still. Another deep breath in. Sinking, sinking. Ooh. Good. Lean back as you blow it out. Good. And then keep leaning back. Keep breathing. Oh. Perfect. Okay, nice, gentle breathing in and out. Good. Do that one more time in, out. Good. So let the shoulders come down here. Good. A little bit more. Like this. Okay. Same thing. Shoulders coming this way, hips coming down, and then we push like that. Okay. Okay. Deep breath in and out. Good. We're bringing this down. Shoulders sinking. Okay. I'm gonna bring your head over to let me do the work, okay? I'm gonna bring your head over to like right here. All you have to do is breathe, and then right from here we're gonna push in that direction like that. Good, you're doing good. All you have to do is breathe and let it go. Good. This is not college. This is not random. Good. Good breathing. Good shoulders, hips, all sinking in. Good. One more. I was right there. Let it go. Let your head drop. All right, all the way at the bottom. We're gonna do 6, 7 here. So I'm gonna bring your head to like right about here. We're gonna push in that direction like that, okay? Okay, breathing, sinking in, letting it all go. One more time. Let your knees and hips relax, let it all go. Good, not bad. Here, bring your hands to your belly. Good. And all right, so I'm going to use the towel to support your cervical spine like this. All you have to do is keep your teeth together. I'm going to follow your breath, and as you breathe out, we're going to pull in this direction like that. Good. Nice and gentle breathing, sinking in. Good. Shoulders and hips. Everything is just falling into the table. Good. That's perfect. You're nice and loose there. Everything's falling and sinking. Good. Good, and then tuck your chin in. Now look up at the ceiling. Good, just like that. Good. This is lower on the right. Upper left. Down to the sacrum. Keep squeezing. Keep looking up. Keep looking. Good. In through your nose. Good. Not through your mouth. Good. Breathing. Shoulders sinking. Letting it go. Perfect. Out. Sinking, sinking, sinking. One more. Good. Deep breath in, far in as you can go. Far in as you can go. Good, and out. Perfect. All right, when I push in here, do you still feel that pain up higher?
Nope.
How about this side? Anything there?
Nope.
Breathing, sinking in. You're doing good. We're going to bring the hip down like this. Good. We're going to bring the shoulder up like this. Good. Now breathing. Good. We're going to bring the hip down. Good. Shoulders relax. Good. Good. One more time. Breathing soft, gentle, letting it all go. Good. Sinking in. Good. Oh. Lay on your back. Okay, breathe it in. Good, and out. Good. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Take a deep breath in. Good, and out. Good, we're going to do that one more time. In. And out. Good, sinking in. Let the shoulders go. Good, gentle, gentle, gentle. Lay on your back. Nice and gentle, just breathing, sinking in here. We'll do this one like this. Good. Good. Pushing in that direction. Good. Sinking in, loose. Good. Gentle, gentle. Oh. Sinking. Good. Yep. C6, 7 on the left, just like the first time. Good. Oh. Good. Alrighty.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.